Welcome back to 9 to 5 Markets, guys. Hope everyone had an amazing day today, and hopefully nobody got trapped in the GME or GameStop trading, because that was ridiculous. Shooting up from 74 all the way to 154, coming back down. I'm not made for that, to be honest, so I'm just gonna watch from the sidelines based on that stock. So it is what it is. But let's hop into the video for today, guys. So it's gonna be quick and short again, like always. I just want to recap on one of our previous stocks and our previous plays as well. So you guys can see about a week ago I posted a video regarding FCEL, and literally it was just a week ago. And if we look at the chart, this is a thumbs up I even put in the previous video. This is where I'll be taking my entry point, and it was around $15. And guess where it's at today, guys? It went to a high of $22 today. So I ended up selling my position at $20.20, I think it was. Could have held it for a little bit longer, but I was satisfied with my profits, and I went based off the previous candle, the previous high, which was this candle right here, the red one. All right, I was satisfied. Obviously, the stock has a lot of room to run actually in the long term, so I'm not worried about this stock going too low again. But once it does go low, I'm hoping to pick it back up around, I would say, 18s. I would ideally want in the 18s or lower. So I will wait for the dip, of course, and take my re-entry on this position, because this is a $25 to $30 play, because we know about Biden and everything. He's eco-friendly. I've mentioned this multiple times. So please keep an eye out on this and have this on your radar as well. And when I give my entries out, guys, these are just meant for my own positions, right? In no means you guys have to take these positions. Do your research, do your due diligence, and make sure it's right fit for you, okay? So yeah, so this was one of the stocks I just wanted to put on your radars as well. And the second one is APXT again. So I'm gonna keep bringing this stock back up because this is one of my favorite stocks, and I know a lot of people are impatient about this stock and it's not moving. It's just consolidating, doing its thing, right? But I'd rather be patient on a kind of like a guaranteed stock, you can say. So today it dropped to 15 bucks, actually like 14.90-ish, which was an absolute steal and a good chance to buy and establish a position in this price range. But I should have picked up more shares. I did not, because my price entry price is around, I think, 14.80-ish or 14.70. So I didn't want to like increase my average cost, so I'm just gonna stick with my position where I am right now, and I'm happy with it. I might increase it if it does come a little bit lower to maybe 14.90s or even 14.80s again. But other than that, I'm gonna ride the wave up, and you guys can clearly see the chart, what it's doing. I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys have a better idea. So I don't know how much more obvious this can kind of get. Look how the graph is playing out, or the chart, sorry. I know charts are not God or anything. Mainly the stock market focuses on a lot of news bases situations, and it kind of goes based on that, right? So by no means is this guaranteed in the sense. It is just doing your little homework and kind of figuring it out, right? So this arrow, I do plan on seeing this kind of going back to its all-time high around like 17.90, and hopefully breaking this and going to above and beyond. But this is not going to be happening anytime soon. Of course, we still have about 2 weeks left, and maybe mid-February they'll release the news of the merger happening, and when they do, that'll be a great time for everyone, and we'll definitely pop some champagne bottles. All right, so just keep an eye out on this, have it on your radar, and be patient. That's what it's about, being patient. All right, like, I don't see any other place where we're gonna get returns other than the stock market that are like this, other than like maybe real estate or something. But like, this is just like much better than a saving account, you can even say, right? So keep your money here, do what you got to do, and make it work. All right, so this is just an update as well, along with FCEL. And I had a lot of people ask me what's the next play, what stock are we looking at, so what stock I'm looking at. So the way I trade is I'm trading almost on a daily basis, and I don't post all my stock picks and everything. I only try to post the ones where I see very good potential in and that have good long-term growth. All right, so one of those stocks is SWITCHBACK Energy. All right, guys, so if you look at SWITCHBACK Energy, this stock, I originally traded this around $13 up till about 18, and then I knew it had a lot of room to run, but I think I ended up getting out around, not up here, it was like somewhere very low. So like this little jump right here, I probably got out around here. Yeah, around here somewhere, but whatever, yeah, that doesn't matter. So I got out around from 13 to 18, and then I never really looked back at this stock. So I just let it do its thing, and I actually missed a lot of good potentials on this. So the way this stock is playing out, we can clearly see a few things happening. Right now, it's hitting our support, you can call it, and we know what's coming next, guys. It's pretty like evident. You can clearly see it, right? So 1, 2, 3 hits right on the support, and guess what it does each time after hitting? Goes up. But my ideal entry on this would be around $35. So I'll mark a spot as well on it. I'll make this one blue. Actually, I'll make it yellow. So my ideal entry, I'm gonna wait for the stock to dip back down. And remember, never chase a stock because there's no need. Okay, this is not even 35, but it is roughly in that case. Right there is fine. Actually, no, I want it to be exactly, so we'll be right about here. So I know the stock may not retrace back down this low, but I'm not going to chase. I'm very patient with the trading and stuff, right? So we're going to see where the stock goes and what it does, but it could go tomorrow even higher, right? Because it is bouncing off the support, and from a previous hits, we can see what it does. But keep an eye out on it. This is my next play that I'm going to be definitely adding this to my portfolio and watching it grow. So anything maybe around 35 to 37 will be beautiful, and then just catch the wave all the way up, guys. Just I'll even draw the arrow for future reference, so we can, when we come back to this, we'll see where it's at. All right, so this is my next play, and hope you guys are ready for this. Perfect. All right, so these are just quick videos I make to kind of give an update on my portfolio. I know I haven't showed my portfolio in this video. The next video I'll be giving an update, because it's almost end of the month. January is almost over, and I will provide my whole balance, how I did this month, and every month I'm going to keep tracking my progress. And I'm not in a rush or anything, guys. Remember that this is just my slow growth. I'm happy with slow growth. This is just me trying to see how well I do in the stock market this entire year. All right, so let's get it. And yeah, with further ado, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, I know I'm not posting as many videos that you guys want. It's just with the time and my work and everything, it's kind of hard to. So just be patient with me, guys. I'll try to post as much as I can. So stay ready for the next video. It should be coming out. I'll try to post every other day. So yeah, like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, guys. Peace.